Hello everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. Today I show you the road test number 1 in Etobicoke Road Test Centre. So make sure all the time park your car in reverse after the examiner asks you when it's safe proceed. So he gonna ask you when it's safe proceed or left turn. You have to check 360 degree, shift the gear to drive, put the signal, check 360 degree all the time, and smoothly drive. Make sure. And here is a three-way stop, so we have to come to the complete stop. The upcoming traffic is not stopping. Check left, right, and go. We have to put the signal. We are going to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come full stop here. Watch for the pedestrian and upcoming traffic to the left, right. Smoothly join to Eglinton Avenue. Speed limit in Eglinton Avenue is 60. Try to maintain the speed limit. Anytime approaching an intersection, check the rear mirror and scan the intersection. So the examiner will ask you when it's safe lane change to the left. You have to check the rear mirror, side mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and smoothly go to the left side. The examiner will ask you traffic light left turn. You have to check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, and from the broken line smoothly join. If the traffic light is green, we don't have to stop. We have to watch the pedestrian and also upcoming traffic. So no one is in pedestrian, we don't have to stop. Come to the left lane. We don't have to change a lane to the right because it is ending. So here the speed limit is 50 because we don't have any speed limit sign. This is all-way stop sign. Check the rear mirror, come to the complete stop. It is first come, first serve. You can go. So the speed limit is 50. Try to go 48, 49. The examiner will ask you traffic light left turn. You have to check the rear mirror, side mirror, signal, blind spot, and come to the left lane. This is Madison Boulevard, and you have to come to the complete stop if the traffic light is red. So we have to wait. Whenever you wait in the intersection, all the time check left, right, and show to the examiner that you are aware of the surrounding. So once we got green light, we will let the other two cars which is in front of us, once they completely cross the intersection, then we can go. Check left, right. The pedestrian light is helping us. Now it is 3 seconds, 1 second. We will have a green light after this. So I will go to the middle of the road. Once these cars completely cross the intersection, then I can go. Check the pedestrian walkway on your left side and come to the left lane. Once you come to the left lane, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, and smoothly come to the right line. The speed limit is 60. Try to maintain the speed limit. 58, 59, 60 is good. So try to don't go above the speed limit. Here the examiner will ask you traffic light right turn. You have to check the rear mirror, side mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, Now we have a red light. We have to come to the complete stop, and now we can go because there is no upcoming traffic. We can go. Here in this street, the examiner probably will ask you the roadside stop, or he's gonna take you to the other street, which is satellite road. So all the time check left, right, and show that you're aware of your surrounding. Here we're gonna go to the left, check the rear mirror, side mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come from here. So we have to watch for the pedestrian. If the pedestrian is not here, so we're gonna turn to the left. Probably this is also an examiner. Probably there's also taking the exam, so we have to wait for them. We don't want to rush for him. He is doing parallel parking. So here the examiner will ask you pull over to the right. We have to check the rear mirror, side mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come slowly stop, push the forward flasher, shift the gear to the park, and handbrake. The new cars doesn't need a handbrake, it automatically turn on. So he's gonna ask you when it is safe, do the 3-point turn. We will do it, the 3-point turn. So shift the gear to drive, turn off the forward flasher, turn the signal to the left, check 360-degree, and slowly come to the middle of the road. Once you are close, so you have to again shift the gear to drive, check 360-degree, and turn the wheel to the other side. Once your rear mirror is at the middle of the road, you are okay. So shift the gear to drive, check all around, put the signal, and go. So here the examiner will ask you stop sign right turn, so you have to do that. So this car is stopped probably by examiner, so we're gonna put the signal to the right. They stopped emergency. We have to come to the complete stop, blind spot, and slowly go to the right. Try to drive at the middle of the road, because on the right side there is a bike line. This is a solid bike line. We cannot go on the solid bike line. Again, they are taking you the same way, Madison Boulevard, so we have to check the rear mirror while approaching an intersection, check the blind spot, put the signal, and come stop. If there is a car in front of you, try to maintain a gap between two cars. So we have a green light, so check the rear mirror. Once the pedestrian completely gone, we can go to the right. The examiner will ask you make a lane change. So the speed limit here is 30. We have to check the rear mirror, side mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, watch street ahead, and smoothly come to the left lane. Once you completely come to the left, you have to turn off the signal. The examiner will ask you traffic light left turn. We have to check the mirrors, side mirror, signal, and blind spot. Come. We don't have to stop because we have a green light, no pedestrian. We can turn to the left. The speed limit here is 50 because we don't have any sign. When there is no sign, we have to go and assume that it is 50. Try to drive 48, 49 or 50. Don't drive so slow, so you're gonna lose point. So all the time, every 5 seconds to 10 seconds, check the rear mirror. When a car is parked on the roadside, you have to make sure the people are not around that car. Here is another intersection. We have to check the rear mirror, and while applying the brake we have to check the rear mirror. Come to the complete stop here. This is Eglinton Avenue intersection. We are crossing and going directly to the exam center. So whenever you stop here, check left, right, center. Try to show them that you're aware of your surrounding. So once we got green, see, we can go directly, and try to make sure that about pedestrian. And also there is in the summer a lot of scooter bikes are, because there is a very nice creek and green area, so people are going through this. So we have a green light, check left, right, and cross the street. So here you have to check the mirror, put this two mirror, put the signal. We don't have to stop. If needed, we're gonna stop. So come and go to the plaza. So try to drive here 15 to 20 to 25, not more than that. Check all the time for the pedestrian. So here the examiner will ask you front parking or back parking. We have to put the signal to the right. He gonna ask you go to the inside. He will ask you front parking to the right or to the left. You are doing front parking to the right. Check the mirror, put the signal, and come stop here. Thank you so much. Once you park, shift the gear to the park and handbrake. So handbrake we don't have to, because the new cars have this function. Automatically it's gonna go to the handbrake. So thank you so much for watching.